Hello, my name is Hugh. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show how to make braised pig feet in Chinese style. As you see, I have the salt in a bowl, and I will mix it with the dark soy sauce, the Chinese oyster sauce, the fermented tofu cubes, and remember to break the tofu cubes a little bit. Then we can add the brown sugar. And we want all the ingredients blend together before we add it to the wok with the pig feet. And then give a quick stir, and we want the pig feet being coated by the colors of the seasonings.